Here's how to use iCloud on your iPhone. Now, if you're on your iPhone and you want to use iCloud to store all of your photos, your videos, back up all of your apps and your data, I'll show you how to do it, show you how to add space, show you what's taking up space, all of that stuff. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. Really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, the first thing we'll do is head into your settings here, because at the very top, we can get into our iCloud by tapping on the name at the very top. So I'm going to tap on Trevor Nace. And here you can see under subscriptions is iCloud. If I tap on this, it will show me a breakdown of my current iCloud. At the very top, it shows storage. I can tap on that and it shows me basically what's being used, 1.4 terabytes of 2 terabytes. Keep in mind, I have a family plan for iCloud, so this is a combination of what I'm using as well as the rest of my family is using. I can go to family usage here and it'll show me the breakdown of who's using the most data on the storage plan and who's using the least. Now I can also go back here and tap on change storage plan. So I can choose to upgrade or downgrade the storage. If you're starting to run out of space on iCloud, I would recommend just upgrading here or just deleting what is currently being stored on your iCloud so that you have enough space to download and basically sync up all your photos, your videos, your apps, your data, all that. Now, you can always choose to have more, but on here, it's good to always see what's on your iCloud. So you'll be able to see if I scroll down the breakdown, iCloud Drive, this is the backup for my phone as well as my computer. But you can see iCloud Photos is taking up 65 gigabytes. I can always go in here and see, all right, you have 16,000 photos and 400 videos. I can always choose to review photos and videos. And if I wanted to, I can delete some of the photos and videos that are bigger on my phone so that basically it takes up less space on iCloud. I can also go back in on any of these different ones. I can choose to turn off iCloud for any of these apps that might be taking up a lot of data. For instance, you can see here WhatsApp. I can always go in here and delete the data from the iCloud if I wanted to remove that, if I don't necessarily need the backup for that. And you can see all of the apps taking up data. Now, okay, we've gone through this whole process. You can see if I go back here, it kind of shows other stuff like the iCloud backup. And it shows essentially when you've last backed up your phone. You can see at the very bottom, it's taken up 1.6 or 1.8 gigabytes rather on my iPhone to back up everything. Now, if you go through this whole process, you can customize and control how much space you're using on iCloud, but you can also do that on a web browser. So if you're not necessarily on your phone, but maybe you're on a computer, you can also just open up a web browser and you can go to iCloud.com and hit go. Now, all we need to do is sign in, and I'll just use my Face ID to sign in here. And just like this, it will pop up with all of my information. I can go into my photos, my email, my drive. I can customize all of this and control all of it directly in iCloud.com. I don't necessarily need to go into the iCloud, into the settings on my iPhone. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.